Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mouse and I'm going to take a look at some files from Hearthstone, or whatever it is called, Hearthstone, you know, the game, the card game. And I'm here at the data folder of this particular game, and I also know that there is a MPQ file. I'm not going to go into detail in the MPQ files because I think there are a lot of extractors out there that already do this type of thing. So let's just forget about this type of file now for this moment. But I would take a look at this particular file type called assets. So let's just open that one. Okay, so let's see what we can find here, because from the looks of it, this is pretty straightforward. It seems, this type of information. Is there any file name here? No, it doesn't seem to be. Not a tail as well. Okay, interesting. So this assets file, maybe it's good to always have two of the same type, for instance this one, so we can compare. Okay, let's take a look at this, because I think most of the data that refers to resources in this file, or assets as they call them, would be in the header, because I didn't see any, well, no real tail part. Okay. So this is all 1C, 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 1C. And here 1C, 1C, and then something 2, 3. So this seems to be an entry of 14. So 16 plus 4, 20 bytes in size here. So okay, well, you see there's 1, 2, 3 and so forth. So let's see where this ends. 7, 6. And then something happens here. Shared asset 0. Didn't I open? No, I opened 13. Okay. 7, 6. Okay, so that's the file number. No, it's the number of resources, because I just checked that. It starts immediately at the front of this when all the entries come. Now let's see what these mean. Well, we know that this game also is on Apple computers, and this could have something to do with endianness. So this would actually be 97F, and this would be C97 for C91000. And that's something. What's the address size? Ah, it is C9074C. That's this one. So this one is archive size. Oh. I guess it goes all the way up to here, because this is not the same endianness. Because this also seems to increase. So So this endianness is big endianness. Yeah. So that means this is 97F. So what is 97F pointing to? What? Pointing to this? No, wait a minute. Add go back. 97F, adding 4. Would not be enough, but adding 12 would do the trick. This is 14. Could still be. This could be a 97F. Just checking here. Well, it could be this size. This could be either a pointer to the end of this data, this header size, or it could be the total size of a header starting from somewhere. Let's see. If we start from here, and let's see what this ends up. Compare with this F5 to F3. F5 to F3. Exactly that. Exactly that. So, okay, that seems to be, at least from the looks of it now, it seems to be the size of the header starting from byte 12. Right, now we have 4.5.5 B3, so this is just a version number of some kind, and the real stuff starts at byte 28. Would it also be in this file? Real stuff starts at byte 28, probably, yeah. Okay, so we see that this is the file number, and goes, no, yes. So first file ID, that seems to be relative offset, and this would be relative size, and I have no idea what this is. Unknown. And then the second one starting at this relative offset with this size, adding 448025 would give indeed this number. So okay, that seems to be good. Now we need to know this relative offset. Where is starting point 0 in this file? Something starts at 11 at thousands. Yeah, I remember that one because that's this one. I would call this data start. What's this 9? It's also 9 here, but it is 5310 here. Data start 5310. Let's see. Interesting. I guess technically it could be, but because it's a different file and I'm not sure what kind of files I would expect here. Resources, Unity, Bulletin Extra. Could, well it could. Let's see. One zero adding to 2 0. So that would mean the next would start at 2 0 1 0 5 0. Exactly right. 7 and a name of the size 7. Okay, that got that sorted out. Now let's see. For this one will be D0, 5310, 53E0. What is that? Oh, typed wrong. Sorry. Yes, that seems to be okay. 10, and this would be 10. Okay, so we are dealing with particular resources that either have a name, and then it starts with a something higher than 0 probably, or it doesn't have a name, and then 5 3 like here it doesn't start with a, so then there is no name. It's just a file. Okay, so we have a working theory now, so let's just test it out and see where we end up. We can use MultiEx Commander to do just that. Whatever, start it up and write a script. Hearthstone assets files. Just going to take a look back. We're probably not really going to need these two, but we may need this one. Yeah. So we get a dummy one. Oh well, we can name it. It's the header size long in file 0, which is the main file that MultiEx Commander is going to open. Get archive size long. Then we had get unknown 1. Get data offset. Good. And then because of the endianness we need to reverse. Now I have to check because it's been too long since I wrote this damn script. So is it a reverse long command? Damn it, I have to check this. Let's see if I can open Firefox right here. Script. No, why do I have to check my own script here? Isn't there? There. I know that's stupid, but I don't remember it. I think there's some command to reverse the endianness. Oh, for God's sake, where is it? I need to go to big endianness. Where is this? BMS reverse long. Yeah, see, there is something there. Reverse long. Oh God. Reverse long. Let me just check this. Yeah, apparently. Okay. So now we got the right number. Then where are we in the? We're here. So we're not going to care about the rest of this. We're not going to care about this. So we can just jump to 28 to 40. Go to 40 file 0. not gonna complain about that, are you? No. At that point, get file number, because the engine is now has returned to little, after which the files come. Is 1, 2, file num, get file ID long 0, get relative offset, get size, now the interesting part is that some of them seem to have file names, or at least names, and the others don't. We may proceed and just ignore this and extract the resources as they are, or we are going to write some kind of routine to see whether there is a name there, yes or no. So when we do extract, we can give some kind of name to the file, and that makes more sense. Let's just see if we can do the latter. So then we need to go there to see it. So we save the position that we are now, and let's say we do this in resource table offset. That also changes this, because now we are going to set resource table offset so long 40, and then we go to that, here we're going to get this, going to save the position, and save, no, go to this seems a bit silly, because I'm going to save the current position of the data or file pointer in this variable, and then next you jump to it. But that's just because of the loop, because whenever you start here you want to go back to this variable. Okay, now we got the relative offset and we got the data offset, so we can calculate the actual offset. So set resource offset to a long type called data offset. Add to this the relative, and then we got what we want. Oh, sorry, obviously data offset. So we need this anyway. Go to data offset in this file. Now let's check whether we have something there that points to it having a name, whatever resource we go to. So get check, it's just a long, okay. Now if ch is larger than 0, that would mean there is a file name. I'm just guessing here, right? So if that's the case, then we know that the file pointer is now at the file, at the name of the resource. So we can do a get dstring of chlong, so name, oops, chlong in file 0. Okay. Else, if that's not the case, let's just make it more generic. Set name string. Let's use T. Get these in sort of bar name, real name, string name. So we add to that one. If we didn't find that, then we said set name string T. That would be stupid if we would do that there. We could do it here and then don't care about this. So if that is, then this. If not, we don't care. So the name is the number. Okay. This should be okay. Then we can log name, data, offset, size 0, 0, because we're not going to bother with where all these variables are. Then I do next T. Let's see if we can save this. Age of Wonders. No, here assets. Check it. There is a error, but of course let's just see where it is. Is it after or before this? Before there's an error. This should also be done. We knew from this point on it was okay, right? So let's see. Okay, there's another error here. Okay, save. Whatever, yes. Enable the debugger and use this on our file. Like the big one. Zip. Gotten long. Reverse long, yes. Variable 6 was set to 40, jump to 40 in file 1. Gotten long. Looping. relative offset size. Going to the data, also jump to there, got along 17. That means it's not 0, so there should be a string. Getting fixed sized, Blizzard logo, iPad. Good. The string result is 1 Blizzard logo iPad. Logging. Next, jumped back, got along 28. There is an error. It shouldn't do that. Wait a minute, it's... Of course, I'm being stupid. I forgot about these. Alright. Just get dummy 1, which is a long. And why not do that twice? Yes. No errors obviously, or use it on the file. What? Go, 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 go. Yes. Go back. Good. File number 2. Offset size. Dummy, dummy. Jump to that. Got long 7. Okay. There's a fixed string. Yes. Interesting. Run that for a while. Pause. Okay, run it. Run it. Well, we can see if that works. Sorry. That doesn't bode well. Something's wrong. $118 files. Let's go back to the assets file. Is that actually true? Yes, 118 files. Okay. Ooh, there's all kinds of trouble here. We're not doing this right. Yes, I know. Something's wrong. Corrupted file information. (668), is that the last one? Yes, 668. Sometimes MultiEx Commander can be a nag. Let's see. Well, it shouldn't be doing this. Corrupted file information. Why? One three one six nine eight four zero. What is that? 131648. This is just way too huge. And this is okay, there's something wrong. Okie dokie then. What is wrong with calculating the offsets? Huh, that's just way stupid, huh? Stupid. That's what we call this. Okay. Now do it. Use it on the file. For God's sake, why are you not there? That's much better, Commander. That's much better, I guess. Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Okay, what's this? Doesn't seem to complain, so let's just go and extract all of this into a my new folder. Extracted. And let's take a look, see there. We have a iPad logo and a Hearthstone icon. Open with Hex Workshop, please. Then we have Blizzard logo, iPad. Now that is of interest, isn't it? This name doesn't even match with the Hearthstone icon. Now what's going on there, boy? Blizzard logo iPad. So again, oops, no. Yes, please. Cancel. Whatever. Again, there's an error in my goddamn script of what I'm doing here. So I'm saying this name, yes, I got the right name, and this is stupid. You know, when I look, I'm going to look back at these videos, and during watching these videos I will be calling myself a stupid dumbass each and every time I make a mistake. Agreed? Agreed. For fuck's sake. Even though it's way past midnight, this is just pathetic. Let's see if that is going to improve anything. God damn it. Yes, this is Blizzard logo. Now this one. Yes, finally. So this is some kind of icon of this size. As well, that matches this, right? Because calculating times would be yes. So 4 bytes for each pixel. RGB alpha. So if I would save this one as a raw file, I'm digressing here, but let's just do it. Why in heaven's name are we starting there? So that's this one, but then raw. We go to Photoshop. To take a look at it. Oh, sorry, it was open. Open as raw. What the hell? There we go. We don't want to go here. We want to go here. We want to go there. We want to go to games. We want to go to this data and extract the stuff, and then this one. Open. For fuck's sake, I know it's not a I don't care if it's not a PDF, it's a raw file. Open as raw, right? What if I just say come on, I don't care, just go. What in hell? I should be able to open this as a goddamn raw file. Now why are you not opening this? Finally, you stupid fucker. There we go. Let's see, I think it's 32-bit. Is that okay? Yes, that seems to be okay. I mean, what we're missing is a palette. But that doesn't matter, we need a color. What seems to work, so okay, fine. Let's go back to, for instance, a large icon. Still digressing here, but we know now how that works. Starting here, ending there. We save it as this one. And throw it at him. Could be 8-bit 4 channels, right? Last channel is transparency. It's not interleaved. Go. What the hell is that? Maybe we can reopen it. And we call it interleaved, whatever. Oh, I see. So that's the icon, huh? Now we can do the same with this one actually, because I was just being dumb. Okay, throw it at him. So this was 256, 256. 4 channels, interleaved, last channel is transparency, fine, go. Well, I'll be damned. Oh, I mistyped there. Sorry. Nice. Okay, so anyway, that seems to work, so we're done, basically. So we could open the assets file with this one. That's all very fine. Just make sure we save this again, because I forgot, and when I watch this video I'll probably see that I already saved it, which is fine. That's just the way I work. And I should be able to run it on another file. See, there's something big up there. Yes. Fine, show me. Names, names, names. All got names, huh? No, that's not right. God damn it, show me the preview. I want to see the preview of all this. Nothing. Well, it's showing me something, but it's not having a name. But this seems to work fine. So the if statement that we did seems to be fine. Just to make sure, let's look at some of these files. Let's copy this, extract it to extracted. So 11 advanced chest button glow, chest glow. What kind of file is that? I guess they're all pretty small files. Alright, fine. That's enough. Looking at the assets files, I think that's it. Nothing more. No. No, that should be it. Okay, fine. So this is the MexScript needed to open these assets files. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to end this video now and see you next time. Bye bye.